So the thing that brought me here was smaller classes.
Was that it was a coordinated program.
The ability to learn and then do hands-on while I was in the field was really important.
The most important aspect to me is the relationships that we build with our professors.
So I really enjoy the online and in-person classes at EMU.
We're all in the trenches together, going through lectures and taking exams and supervised practice experiences, and that makes us a really close-knit group of people.
My favorite aspect of the Dietetics program has to be the supervised practice. Being in the field and being able to start to apply some of those skills has been my favorite.
EMU met me where I was at when I considered making a career change, which was a big and scary decision, but they've had all kinds of support along the way, great resources, and have cheered me on.
I can go to a professor anytime I feel like I need help with something, whether it's with school or personal, and they're always there to support me or help me or guide me.
Having the opportunity to network and understand that you're kind of connecting dots with your school is invaluable when you get out. You're miles ahead.